So this is our exterior door. It has our weather cutting proof top and bottom, you can see. What we want to show you here is the way to install the interlock inside of the door. So we can see on this type of installation, to have an lock to be properly installed, we need to cut out a section of the frame. So with that being said, the interlock always gets installed with the wires pointing up, the key above the latch hole, and we just go ahead and install it like so inside. To properly install, we make sure that it's flush and level with the frame of the door, and there's screws, and you just screw it into the back, into the frame, directly through the lock itself, and it holds it into place. Once that's held into place, we have a little latch here, and that's where the latch is going to be installed. To install the latch, we need to make sure that the door is fully installed and that it's level and it's shimmed out and tightened and screwed into place to make sure that the door no longer will have play in it and it's going to be where it's supposed to work. So if I come and close this door slowly, put it back down, we can see now that we can see the clear placement that we need to put the latch. This is our latch. It goes inside and it's mounted on a little bracket like this. And what we need to do is screw it onto the door frame itself, making sure that the latch is going in dead center of the interlock. So we really want this section to be really dead center when we're putting it on the wall. Because if it doesn't go in center, it's not going to function properly.